Halo semuanya, hari ini kita akan belajar matematika lagi dengan menggunakan bahasa Inggris. So, we are going to practice our English as well as our maths. Di video ini, we are going to study how to factorize by removing the common factors or pemfaktoran dengan mengeluarkan faktor yang sama. Bagaimana caranya? Yuk kita belajar bersama-sama. Okay, we're gonna have a look at number 1. Okay, we need to factorize 2x squared plus 6x. Okay, what we need to do first is we need to see what are the common factors of 2x squared and 6x. Faktor yang sama apa? Okay, kita bisa lihat, then hopefully everyone can see it, that the factors that they share is 2x. Okay, so they both shared 2x. So let's ditch the common. So I'm ditching 2x out. Okay, after I ditch 2x out, I'm going to figure out what I'm going to put inside the bracket. Okay, so if you see that, I have like this 2 here to fill up. Okay, and I have the plus there. Plus because there's a plus here. Yeah. Okay, so I'm like, okay, so 2x multiplied by what? So that I will have 2x squared, because I need to fill in the blanks. 2x I multiply by what to become 2x squared, and then I will need to multiply it by x, because 2x multiplied by x is 2x squared. I'm going to do the next one. Okay, 2x I multiplied by what to become 6x. Of course, I need to multiply it by 3. Okay, and like, okay, so I have the factors is 2x and then x plus 3. Now, everyone, if you have time when you do tests, you need to do checkings. Yeah, you need to do the checkings. If you don't have time, then what can we do? But if you do, let's do the checking. Okay, how do we check? We check whether our answer is correct or not by doing the rainbow. Okay, so we're going to do the rainbow. So 2x multiplied by x is 2x squared, correct. 2x multiplied by 3 is positive 6x, correct. See, if you see, this is the question. So our answer is correct. Okay, now that our first number is correct, we're ready to do number 2. Okay, number 2 is 3x squared minus 7x. We need to find the factors of 3x squared and minus 7x. If you see there, we only have an x there. So the common is just x. So x out you go. Okay, so x would ditch out, and then I'm going to put a minus here because there's a minus. See this minus there? Okay, there's a minus there. Okay, so I need to fill in this 2 here. All right, okay, so 3x squared. So x multiplied by what to become 3x squared? I will need to multiply it by 3x. And I'm going to do the other one. X multiplied by what equals 7x. I will multiply it by 7. Okay, so let's do it ahead. X times 3x is 3x squared. X times negative 7 is negative 7x. Okay, so we're confident that our answer is correct. Now we're going to do number 3. I hope you're starting to get the hang of it, yeah? Okay, let's do number 3. Negative 4x plus 12x squared. Okay, the common factors. Okay, the common is negative 4x because they both shared a negative 4x. So I'm going to put that, okay, and I'm going to put the plus because the question is a plus. So I need to fill in this 2 empty space there. So what am I going to do? So negative 4x multiplied by what equals negative 4x multiplied by 1. Yeah? And the next one, don't get confused. Negative 4x times 1 is negative 4x, okay? The next one we need to check. Oh, negative 4x multiplied by what to become a positive 12x squared. We need to be careful because we need to aim for a positive number, yeah? So negative 4x times what equals 12x squared? Negative 4 times negative 3 is positive 12. And then I have the x, I multiplied by x. So negative 4x I multiply by negative 3x is positive 12x squared. That's what we're aiming for. But everyone, if you have a look there, I have double sign the positive and negative there. I highlighted with green. there's positive and negative there. Okay, and when there's positive and negative, the negative wins. Yeah, the negative wins. So my answer, okay, I'm going to erase the arrows here so it's not like too confusing. My final answer is going to be negative 4x in bracket 1 minus 3x. The positive is gone, yeah, because the negative wins. So this is our final answer, negative 4x and then in bracket 1 minus 3x. Okay, hope you guys are not confused, yeah? So to check whether you're confused or not, we can do number 4, okay? Hopefully number 4 will help us to understand more of this type of question, yeah? Okay, so negative 3x squared plus 9x. What are the commons? Okay, the commons is negative 3x. Okay, I'm going to put here, put there. I'm going to put 4 plus because the question is a plus. Okay, I'm going to scroll up. Yeah, okay, so now, and it's like negative 3x, I multiply by what equals negative 3x squared. I multiply by x. I'm going to go to the next one. Negative 3x multiplied by what equals positive 9x. I multiply it by a negative 3. Because negative 3 times negative 3 is positive 9. Again, if you see, I have double symbol there. And positive and negative, the negative wins. Okay, so my final answer is going to be, okay, let me just erase the arrows. My final answer is going to be negative 3x and then in bracket x minus 3. Okay, there you go. So that's the answer. Okay, we're gonna go to number 5 now. Okay, let's go up, go to number 5. So we have 2 more questions, yeah? We have 2 more practices to go. Okay, let's have a look at number 5. A squared b plus ab squared. People, try to have a look. Oh, what's the common? The common is AB. They both shared AB. So AB, out you go. I'm going to do that. I need to fill this too here. Yeah, so okay. AB multiply by what equals a squared b. So AB, I will multiply by a to get a squared b. Because the one that's squared is just the a. Now the next one, AB, I multiply by what equals positive AB squared. I multiply it by b. Okay, so I'm going to try to do it in my head. AB times a is a squared b. AB times b is ab squared. So, ta-da, we're correct. All right, now we're ready to do number 6. Okay, let's go to number 6. If you see number 6 is 3, yeah? Boom, boom, boom. Okay, so we need to find the factors that fits for all of those 3, yeah? Okay, if you see, they actually only have x as the common, so we're going to ditch out the common. X out you go. So I have a plus and a plus, yeah? So I need to fill in that one. Okay, so x multiplied by what equals 3x cubed. I multiply by 3x squared. X multiplied by what equals 7x squared. I multiply it by 7x. X multiplied by what equals 6x. I multiply it by 6. Okay, so there you go. So yes, the common is only x. All right, everyone, I hope number 1 and number 6 they're making you more comfortable in using this method. Okay, so before we end, I'm going to give you a homework. Okay, I want you to try to do this one homework. So what is the factors of 2ax plus ax squared? I want you to write it down in the comments below. Okay, write down the answer that you got, and then I promise that I'm going to respond. Okay, thank you for watching, and I hope this is helpful. Bye bye.